Hello everybody, I am back with another video, and today we're gonna make another video which is a review. Just a video, whatever. Anyways, I'm gonna review this thing. The Boom Code gun. And pretty much, it's not only original Boom Code gun. It shoots hard. My neighbor shot me with this in the butt. It hurts. And then I shot him. Well, he didn't know because he has mice in his house. Only one mouse, I think. But anyways, let me show you how good this thing is. So when you have to reload, when you have to put another dart in here, you have to just do this, and then like that. Then you just put one dart in, it just shoots one dart, and then you put the extra in here, and then you reload here, and then reload here, until you're out. So, I'm going to show you how good this powerful thing is. I did not mean to do that. But, anyways, wait, where's my other dart? Oh, there it is. Yeah. One dart was fired. You saw how strong that was. Just made a lot of noise. So yeah, you could put shields on so no one can shoot you. That's cool. A little sight here. It's pretty cool, but the only thing I don't like is how you reload like that. Oh, that's weird. Like, I don't like that at all. Well, it's kind of cool, but like, you know, guys, it's just weird. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how good this thing is. After I show you, I'm gonna shoot this door. I'll just put something on my iPad. Okay, guys. Yeah. Just get the bullets. Get the other one. I got him very sick today. Okay, it's Monday morning. Okay, you didn't see that, but it made a lot of noise. So I don't know where it went, but I'm gonna try to aim somewhere down. Oh wait. Okay, you left that, didn't you? Last bullet. Make this a good one. Boom. So yeah, guys, that is pretty damn powerful. Let me just find the other bullet later. Oh, there it is. I don't mind. I have a video. Okay. So yeah, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I will all see you guys later. Bye.